to Brand Mandar YouTube channel. Name me Shweta. Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. Today I'm going to showcase beautiful Gadwal silks from our Mandar. Let's start our show. And the saree which I'm wearing is beautiful snuff with a combination of peacock green. Kalneta saree, all over floral booties vachai, golden zarito. And the border is contrast snuff color with kaddi and floral vines border. Very lovely. And let's see the pallu. This is a beautiful brocade pallu, florals, contrast pallu. And the blouse is plain contrast blouse ostundandi with border and a beautiful saree cost vachesi 12,700. Let's see another lovely saree from Mandar. Before going to the saree details, do subscribe our channel Brand Mandar and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you'll be getting notification. Here we go with this one more stunning saree which is in pink and green combination. Very lovely. It's a reddish pink, dual toned. All over floral booties in the body. And the border is kaddi along with the floral vines. Pallu is contrast, brocade pallu, floral brocade. The blouse is contrast with border and this gorgeous saree costs 12,700. Here we go with this one more lovely saree which is in green and purple combination. Gadwal silk saree, all over checks, small zari checks. And the border is completely contrast plain border with pink edge contrast along with the temples. And the pallu is contrast pallu with kaddi lines. The blouse is contrast with lines, zari lines with edge contrast and the saree price is 10,700. Beautiful mustard with lovely green combination, very dark green, all over checks along with the kaddi borders both sides and temples. Pallu vachesi contrast, kaddi pallu. The blouse is contrast with border and this gorgeous saree costs 10,700. One more stunning gorgeous Gadwal silk saree which is lovely black and orange combination. What a lovely combination. All over lines vachandi, thread lines. Akada. And the border is completely contrast and plain along with the temples. Pallu is kaddi pallu with zari lines border. And this beautiful saree costs 11,800 rupees. Before going to the saree details, do visit our website, that is www.brandmandar.com for more collections. And this saree vachesi royal blue with red combination lo undandi Gadwal silk saree, all over floral booties. And the border is contrast with zigzag kaddi along with the floral vines border. Pallu is contrast with complete brocade, rich floral brocade. The blouse is contrast with border. And this gorgeous saree costs 12,700. Let's see another pretty saree from Mandar. Look at this one more gorgeous saree which is in beautiful pink and blue combination. Purplish blue. Very lovely saree. And all over body and the oval shaped brown booties vachai. And the border is contrast with lovely rangoli and pastels, dollar booties in cross kaddi along with the temples. And the pallu is contrast with cross kaddi along with the pastels, zigzag kaddi. The blouse is contrast with border and the saree cost is 15,600. And this gorgeous saree which is in red and purple combination, very lovely. All over pastel booties and floral booties. And the border is contrast purple color with kaddi, elephant and peacock borders with edge contrast. And this is the beautiful pallu, floral pallu along with the elephant and peacock borders. The blouse is contrast with border and the gorgeous saree cost is 12,700. Here we go with this beautiful dual toned orange and yellow combination lo undi. It's a mango yellow with pink combination. All over pastels and floral booties vachai. Very beautiful color. And border is contrast pink color with cross kaddi, elephants and peacock border with edge contrast. And the pallu is florals with elephant and peacock borders. The blouse is contrast with border and this gorgeous saree costs 12,700. Look at this beautiful saree andi, red and green combination, outstanding color. Very lovely, all over floral booties వచ్చాయి oval shape లో. And the border is contrast parrot green with zigzag kaddi along with the florals. Pallu is contrast with diamond brocade along with the lovely past lace and peacock borders. The blouse is beautiful contrast blouse with border and this gorgeous saree costs 14,800. Do visit our store, it's in Jubilee Hills, road number 56 near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. And ee saree vachesi purple and pink combination lo undandi, beautiful Gadwal silk saree, all over floral booties vachayi. And the border is contrast with past lace, vines along with the diamond brocade. Pallu is contrast with cross kaddi lines, floral vines border. The blouse is contrast, beautiful pink color blouse andi with border, and the saree cost vachesi 15,100. Look at this gorgeous saree andi, very lovely green with purple combination. All over floral booties vachayi. Pallu vachesi contrast with cross kaddi, past lace and leaves. Very lovely pallu with florals and floral vines border. The blouse is contrast with border and the gorgeous saree vachesi 11,400. And look at this gorgeous saree andi, which is in yellow and pink combination, all time favorite for everyone. And all over floral booties with gold and silver zari. And the border is contrast with cross kaddi and floral vines. And let's see the pallu. Pallu is contrast with beautiful diamonds and past lace. And the blouse is contrast with border and the gorgeous saree cost which is 15,100. If customized blouses, do contact our brand R for Rukmani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. For any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Our designing team will help you out with the best designs. And look at this beautiful saree, lovely blue and purple combination. Very lovely Gadwal silk saree, all over beautiful elephants and peacock booties with gold and silver zari. Very cute little elephant and peacock booties. And the border is contrast with silver kaddi and temples. Pallu is completely contrast with diamond brocade and cross kaddi borders. The blouse is contrast with border and the gorgeous saree cost which is 13,500. Hope you all liked our today's beautiful Gadwal silks from our Mandir. And meek nachina saree ni alasam cheyakunda ventane screenshot tisi maaku WhatsApp cheyandi 733 733 7000 number ki. Ma customer executive మీ purchasing process ni easy chestaru, and we ship globally, and within Hyderabad we provide cash and delivery option. Have a happy shopping at Mandir. Stay fit, stay healthy always.